You made me mad, bitch. Now stand up and rhyme. You're the only one of my crew that costed less than a dime. I mean, look at you. You look like a thumb. Where did you even come from? You nasty looking short hair prick. You and Captain JB can both suck my dick.
You fucking long hair, trying to live your dream? Well, your ship will be sunk, cause you smell worse than a dead skunk. You long hair prick, I can't wait till bot cuts of your dick. What's wrong, Johnny? Can't take any more? Not surprising, you smelly whore.
You never found in treasure. Are you under pressure? Cause the rap battle will be over now, but before it ends, will you do everyone a favor and shut the fuck up? Hi guys, it's the Epic Lads, and we just want to ask you to like,
comment and
subscribe.